Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video, I want to talk about how we can set up your audio and video in Zoom. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just be in the Zoom application and then just click here on settings. When you'll be here on settings, what you want to do is just click here on video, choose the camera you want. Right now, I'm not able to show you the camera because the one thing that I'm using the camera in a different system. So that's what's important. I'm using it right here. So hello. And then you can mirror your video and you can like meetings. Always display participant names on their video. Always show video preview dialog when joining video meeting. This is important. And you can also spotlight your video when you speak. That's like to assert a dominance. Then when you click on audio, speakers, again, you choose what you want. Microphone, you choose which you like, and then you just change the volume. You can test the speakers, test the mic. So I'm going to use this one here. And as you can see, it's kind of strong and it's good. So this is how you can set up audio and video here. Use separate audio device to play ringtone simultaneously, okay. Okay, so I mean, good, it's working. And now, mute my microphone when joining a meeting. This is good. I recommend doing that. So mute it, microphone when joining a meeting. That's really important. Let's say that you are doing something and you join a meeting and like, whoosh, a kid is running in a room, dog is barking, everything. So that's like really important. What I would really prefer here, if you could, and I don't know how to do that, is to have push to talk. That's the one thing that I'm missing here. But yeah, that's kind of it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. I hope you're going to have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.